Capture life in its purest form with the best digital cameras for photography, where every moment becomes timeless. Each frame holds emotion, telling stories that words cannot express. Feel the joy of freezing memories, the thrill of discovering beauty in the smallest details, and the satisfaction of creating images that last forever. These cameras transform ordinary sights into extraordinary visuals, letting your creativity shine and your vision come alive. Experience the magic of photography and make every shot unforgettable. Number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera 2 Lens Kit. Discover the world through a new perspective with the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera 2 Lens Kit with f/18 to 55mm plus f/75 to 300mm lens, designed to transform every moment into a story worth sharing. Each scene becomes vivid and alive, capturing emotions and memories with unmatched clarity. Whether you are exploring landscapes, celebrating special occasions, or discovering the beauty in everyday life, this camera brings every detail into sharp focus. The dual lenses allow you to see both the grand and the intimate, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary images. Every click sparks creativity, letting your imagination guide your vision. The elegance and reliability of the camera encourage confidence, inspiring you to capture more, explore further, and express yourself fully. With the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera Lens Kit, each photograph becomes a personal masterpiece, holding memories that move the heart and transform the way you see the world around you. Number 2. 8K Digital Cameras for Photography. Step into a world of breathtaking detail with the 8K Digital Cameras for Photography Autofocus 88MP Wi-Fi Professional Camera with dual lens, crafted to transform every moment into a masterpiece. Each frame comes alive, capturing textures, colors, and emotions with stunning clarity that pulls viewers into the scene. Whether you are recording memories, creating content for YouTube, or exploring the beauty around you, the camera allows your vision to shine through every shot. The dual lens system and 16x digital zoom bring distant subjects closer, making every detail feel personal and immersive. Touchscreen controls and thoughtful design make capturing the perfect image effortless, while the included batteries and charging stand keep your creativity flowing without interruption. Every photo tells a story, every video evokes emotion, and every click reflects your passion. The 8K Digital Cameras for Photography Autofocus Professional Camera turns ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences, helping you create, inspire, and share your world with unmatched precision and beauty. Number 3. 4K Digital Camera for Photography Autofocus. Experience photography and vlogging like never before with the 4K Digital Camera for Photography Autofocus upgraded 64MP Wi-Fi vlogging camera for YouTube with 3-inch 180-degree flip screen, designed to capture every moment with precision and emotion. Each image becomes vivid, every video flows with clarity, making your memories feel alive and personal. Whether exploring new places, creating content for YouTube, or documenting special moments, the camera empowers your creativity and brings your vision to life. The flip screen allows effortless framing, while the 16x zoom captures details that might otherwise go unnoticed. Lightweight and compact, it travels with you seamlessly, letting inspiration strike anywhere. The included memory card and extra batteries keep your journey uninterrupted, ensuring your passion for capturing moments never stops. Every photo and video tells a story, drawing viewers into your world. The 4K Digital Camera for Photography Autofocus upgraded Wi-Fi vlogging camera transforms ordinary experiences into extraordinary memories, letting you share your vision with clarity, emotion, and style. Number 4. KODAK PIXPRO FZ55 Rode 16MP Digital Camera. Capture life in vibrant detail with the KODAK PIXPRO FZ55 Rode 16MP Digital Camera 5x optical zoom 28mm wide angle 1080p Full HD video 2.7-inch LCD vlogging camera red, designed to turn every moment into a lasting memory. Each photo reflects depth, color, and emotion, making ordinary scenes feel extraordinary. Whether exploring city streets, capturing family moments, or sharing your creativity online, the camera brings your vision to life with clarity and precision. The wide-angle lens opens up new perspectives, letting you include more of the world in every frame, while the full high-definition video ensures every movement is smooth and vivid. Compact and easy to carry, it inspires you to capture spontaneous adventures without limitations. The design encourages creativity and confidence, letting every shot tell a story. With the KODAK PIXPRO FZ55 RAW digital camera, each image and video becomes more than content, it becomes a reflection of your experiences, passion, and perspective, preserving memories that move the heart. Number 5. Sony Alpha 7 IV Full-Frame Mirrorless Lens Camera. Step into the world of professional photography with the Sony Alpha 7 IV Full-Frame Mirrorless Interchangeable Lens Camera with 28 to 70mm zoom lens kit, created to turn every vision into breathtaking reality. Every frame comes alive, capturing light, color, and emotion with unmatched clarity and depth. Whether exploring landscapes, documenting adventures, or expressing creativity through portraits, the camera transforms ordinary scenes into works of art that tell your story. The interchangeable lens system allows endless possibilities, giving you the freedom to capture both intimate moments and grand vistas with precision. Each image reflects your passion, creativity, and unique perspective, while every click inspires confidence and excitement. Compact yet powerful, the camera follows you seamlessly, letting inspiration strike anytime. With the Sony Alpha 7 IV Full-Frame Mirrorless Interchangeable Lens Camera, every photo and video becomes more than content, it becomes an experience, a memory, and a reflection of your vision, allowing you to create with clarity, emotion, and professional quality in every shot.